guys, Laura here from Hedgehog's Homestead. Now, I noticed I took my sourdough starter out of the fridge this morning because it's time to make bread. But it had a little bit of a sourdough, a little bit of a nail polishy smell to it that sourdough sometimes gets. Now, how you correct that is you feed your starter like normal, and then you feed it in the evening like normal. Make sure you're using lukewarm, filtered water. How my starter got that way is it was smelling a little bit like that last week, and then I did not put enough flour on top because I was low. So I keep it in the fridge. I feed it nicely before I put it in the fridge and then cap it off with a bunch of flour. But you don't want to do that while it's smelling this way. You want to feed it twice a day for a while, get it regulated again, and then put it back in the fridge and you can do your system again. So just a tip and a trick there, guys, is to make sure that you use filtered, lukewarm water, okay? And that you're feeding it enough flour. Now, enough flour, this much, well, keeping it in an old Amish jar, this much would take about a cupful of flour and half a cup of filtered lukewarm water. So there you go. You guys have a great day, and I hope you try it. It has always worked for me. You guys have a great and wonderful day. God bless you, and we'll see you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. If you have any questions about sourdough starter, go ahead and leave a comment below. I'm more than happy to help you out. God bless.